Hello, friends, and welcome to fantasy preview of match day 36 of this year's IPL. Hope you are having a good weekend. Just to keep in mind, today is a double header. So, we have two games starting at 3:30 p.m. IST. The first game is KKR versus Delhi Capitals, and second game is SRH versus Kings 11 Punjab. Okay, both games are very important for number four spot. So I think we'll see very some good action today. Uh, so, so before we go into further details, I request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press on bell icon. And also, please follow me on Twitter. I think you know my Twitter handle, else I'll put it in the video description. Okay. So, I request you to please subscribe and follow me on Twitter. Okay. So yeah, quickly going to yesterday's game. To be honest, there is nothing much to talk about. It was Mumbai versus Chennai, and I think if you followed, you know how it went. So Chennai were almost on the knees. They were like 10 for 4 or something. Yeah, 4 for 3. So it means 4 wickets for 3 runs. So they were like in very bad situation. And credit to Mumbai top order bowlers like Bolt and Bumrah. Both got both got wickets up front, and that more or less sealed the game for them. Then there was some resistance by Tom Curran with lower order batsmen, but that was too late. He took the team to 114. But after that, Rohit Sharma was not playing. So Ishan Kishan opened with Quinton de Kock. We all thought that Surya might open, but that didn't happen. So that bad luck for our team. Mm, and I think many teams had de Kock as their captain, and he kind of delivered. Could have, I mean, at least he should have got 50, but Ishan Kishan was in a good form. So that was not to be. So Mumbai eventually won very easy game. I mean, in 12 overs. So that was kind of embarrassment for CSK. So I think we'll better stay away from CSK assets because I think Dhoni has hinted with some chopping and changing in last 3 games. So I think we might not see Fab Duplessis or maybe Raidu or even himself. Dhoni might sit out. We never know. Okay, so I think it's a risky proposition to go with CSK players in the remaining games. With that, we'll come to two of today's games. Okay, first is mm, KKR versus Delhi Capitals, and I think KKR they are not. I think this review doesn't say clearly whether Russell and Nareen are fit, so we're just. Um, I mean, we are not yet sure about that. The likely 11, Delhi is pretty much settled. Okay, Prithvi Shaw, Dhawan, Iyer, Rishabh Pant, Stoinis, Hetmyer, Akshar, Ashwin, Kapil, Rabada, Noche, Sams, Tushar Deshpande. So we don't know how. I mean, whether Noche will be in, and so we can expect Rabada to be rested in this game instead of Noche. Noche and Sams might play. We never know. If that happens, it's good for us because many teams might have Rabada. Okay, so we don't have. So if Rabada gets arrested for Sam and Noje plays, I think that will be a good thing. KKR, there are a lot of selection issues. So I think opening will be Gill and Tripathi unless they want to bring in Banton and open with him and Gill. Then I think Nitish Rana, I think he'll still keep his spot at number 3, though he has been totally disaster in this tournament. Then Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik. I hope Russell plays. If he plays, then I think it gives a good thread down the order and also can pull a couple of tight overs. Pat Cummins or Sunil Narain. So I think now Lockie Ferguson is the first choice ahead of Pat Cummins, I think says. And yeah, so I don't see any prospect in KKR to be honest. Okay, we already have Rana in our team, so maybe that's about it. We won't go with any more players. Okay, with Delhi Capitals, we have Prithvi Shaw in our team. I think we can go with if we didn't have him, maybe we could have gone with Shikhar Dhawan or Shreyas Iyer. But let's see. I mean, once the toss is out, we'll see what changes to make. But I think most probably we'll get in Shreyas Iyer because Though we have been betting against Dhawan, I thought that okay now he has scored 200 now. I don't think he scored third one, but you never know. I mean he's in such a great form. Okay, so I think in this kind of situations it's better to go for him and fail rather than not have him. That's what I would say. So I might go with Shikhar Dhawan again. Okay, and will bet him for to get good runs. Mm, because he hardly is troubled by pace bowlers and KKR spinners. I think they are saying that he Kuldeep has good record against him, but I don't think he'll bowl in power play. So I think that one's pretty much safe in power play. Okay, I don't see him like getting low score. Let's see. Other than that, Delhi, you can go for one of the spinners, Akshar or the Ashwin. They'll give you steady returns, a wicket or two, and points for economy. And Stoinis, we don't have him. I don't think I'll bring him back again because with Tushar Deshpande in the team, he's not getting much of the bowling. And also at number five, his batting is also limited. Or maybe Hitmar might also play ahead of him. So he's basically number six, not even number five. Okay, so maybe we'll stay away from Stoinis. We'll stay away from Russell for the very same reason because he bats low and he's not in a form also. So we'll stay away from him as well. Then coming to second game, this is very important game for number four. We don't have any official confirmation about inclusion of Kane Williamson, and even though the holder should hold his place with good strong performance in the first game, other than I think Warner, Bairstow, Manish Pandey, Vijay Shankar came good last game, so maybe definitely he'll play. Garg, Samad holder. So I think that is a decent top seven. I won't say the best top seven, but I think it's workable. If one of the Warner or Bairstow gets going at the end, then I think it totally changes the dimensions. Okay. Uh, Coming to Punjab, I think now they have found some kind of rhythm or some kind of settled 11. Rahul and Mayank opening, Gale at number three, Puran, Maxwell, Huda, Nisham. I think it's a good top set again. Okay, I think it will be a very close game. Let's see who wins. So we already have Mayank in our team, and we have Mohammad Shami in our team. Okay, and from other team we have Bairstow and Rashid Khan. So I think we are pretty much covered from both the teams. Okay, I think maybe we'll go for yeah. I think I'll put a punt on Chris Gale again, and maybe I'll go with Rahul also. So yeah, I think yeah these three players I will go. So let's see how can we. I mean we can manage Shikhar, Rahul, and Gale. I mean I don't see that happening to be honest in my team. I cannot accommodate all three, so I have to take some risks. Okay, so this is my team as of now. I have seven players. So mm, maybe I'll take out Surya. Yeah, I have to take these guys out. Otherwise, I won't be able to make it to the team. And then I can get in Dhawan and Gale. Still, I'm taking a very huge risk of not having this guy. What's his name? Uh, KL Rahul. But I think I cannot do one more substitution. I can do Bumrah to Rahul, but then that will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all 10 players playing. I think I'll hold on to that to be honest. Because tomorrow I don't have any players, right? With these two substitutions, I'll only have Bumrah from tomorrow, Bumrah and Karan. So I need to make wholesale substitutions for tomorrow. Okay, so if let's say I make five substitutions tomorrow, then I think I can get some rhythm back in my team. Then I'll have seven players playing tomorrow. Okay, So let's see. I mean, mm, I don't think I have that. I don't think I have timetable open. Yeah. So after tomorrow's game, what is the next game again? It is, I think I'll hold on to these substitutions. Okay. Mm, maybe I'll keep this guy. Like I'll drop Pumura and I keep. Oh, I cannot do that. Okay. Then I think how it is. Let's go with this. Yeah. So I think I'll make these two substitutions for today. So that will make Gale the one. I mean, I'll have these five batters. Then I'll this. So I think that should be good enough for today. Yeah, and then I think I'll make Gale captain as a punt, not a punch, but a serious candidate. I see him scoring well today. Him as a captain and maybe someone like Bears too, and the one as vice captain. Okay, so that's going to be my team today. Um, I have a tough time deciding whom to leave out, but I have to take these calls. Okay, yeah. So thanks for your time, and we will see you tomorrow. Again, request you to please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon so that you get notifications. And also, please write in the comments if you want to add anything. And please remember to make substitution before 3:30 today. Okay. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.